guys, let's celebrate. Just before I did a couple of, actually five videos of Angry Birds Star Wars, and only, in the last one, I legitimately beat, this humongous tank, and it was really weird. I did all those videos today, and, I thought that we would celebrate legitimately now. But let's not get too celebrated because we still have a lot to do in that series. Maybe soon, if you guys show enough support, I'll do more Angry Birds games. But right now, I legitimately think that Star Wars is the most popular series on my channel. Thanks to all you guys. Actually, it was just me giving loads of likes. Hold on. Mom, shush! I'm doing a video. Okay, so I'm back. I had to tell my mom something. Okay, so yeah, we're celebrating in this video, and it's awesome. Like, legitimately, I didn't think it would take 5 videos for us to complete it. And like, it was cool and very good. And yeah. And really what I did on the 10th episode was use almost all of my characters. Now I've only got like 2, 3 or something. No, 2 or 3 bonus characters, not actual characters. But I don't know when we'll start Escape to Tatooine, because we still need to do the pig side. And yeah, we'll get lots of food from there, so don't be hungry. Maybe you should have a couple of cooked or raw pork chops just before you watch that video, because those videos, because there's pigs, and each time I kill a pig, or one of my pigs die, or one of the pigs that I'm trying to kill dies, I'll eat some pretend pork chops like this. You won't see me because still I don't have a face camera yet. Hopefully you've enjoyed that series so far. And yeah. So yeah. Thanks for watching this awesome celebration, because I love that series so far. It's like my most popular series. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to join the Crocodile Army, because you get to be cool like me. And my subscribers, I've only got 1 subscriber, so please smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. I'll cry if any of you give me dislikes, and I will ban you guys from my channel. I'll actually ban you guys from YouTube. I don't know if I'll do that, but I'll ban you guys from my channel, okay? So thanks for watching. Goodbye!